I'm Virja Shah, a clinical psychologist. I'm finalist for Diva Pageant, Mrs. India Empress of the Nation 2025. Anjana Mascarenas and Carl Mascarenas are great mentors. Their grooming sessions are really breathtaking and eye-openers. We are really whelmed to have them as our mentors. And this journey is really going so good, and the enthusiasm is just high. Thank you.
पर सुनो, कोई तुम्हें चाहे कुछ भी कहे, तुम अपनी सुनो। कभी लगे कि दुनिया के लगाए सारे इल्जाम और पाबंदियां सही हैं, फिर भी तुम अपने सपनों को चुनना। तुम अपना नहीं, रानी नहीं।
Shah.
Mental wellness is blessing. Maintaining it is a choice. This pageant gave wings to my voice. Good evening, everyone. This is Virja Shah, a clinical psychologist and a mental wellness who keeps your mental wellness far. I'm here to thrill the showcasing of this night. Thank you.
Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior, inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior, get off of me, this ain't no humble brag, I want you to hear words, you can say them back, you know I'm bound back, been a couple times, but I always bounce back, bounce back, you know I'm now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help, I had to do it all myself. I've got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not